Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through how to delete your Copy.ai account. Log into your Copy.ai account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct account, especially if you have more than one. Allow the dashboard to fully load so all options are visible. Look toward the top corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click on it to open the account menu. Scroll down and click on Advanced Settings. Find the Delete Account option, usually placed carefully to avoid accidental clicks. When you select it, you'll see a warning explaining that deleting your account is permanent and will remove all your data, including projects and settings. To continue, follow the confirmation steps shown on the screen. You may need to re-enter your password or type a specific word to confirm your decision. Make sure to read everything carefully before proceeding. Once completed, you'll receive a final confirmation that your account has been deleted or scheduled for deletion. You may also be logged out automatically. If you can no longer access your account afterward, it means the process was successful. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.